friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking cauliflower veggie tots in the air fryer. So these are made of cauliflower, no potato here. So it's an alternative to potato tots for those people who don't want to eat potato. So to cook them, let's take the air fryer basket out. Let's open a package of cauliflower veggie tots. And let's put the cauliflower tots in the air fryer. So I'm just gonna put them in a single layer. And let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 15 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and let's flip the cauliflower tots over so they cook more evenly. Now flipping them, it's optional, but for best results, if you want them to be evenly brown all over, flip them, but you don't really have to do it if you don't want to. And now let's put the air fryer basket back in the air fryer and let them finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the cauliflower tater tots. Look at them. They look so nicely brown and crispy. Air fryer is perfect for cooking them. Let me take them out of the air fryer. Hear how crunchy they are? So nice and crunchy. Now let's try it. And I can show you that inside they're totally cooked. See, soft inside, crispy on the outside. Let's try it. They taste amazing. So tender and soft on the inside and crispy, crunchy texture on the outside. Air fryer is perfect for cooking veggie cauliflower tots. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!